after we've been asking the government to give us the 8,000 signatures that has been rejected, the name of the people and all, so that we can follow it up, we've not gotten any response. And so Oceana, I recall seeing Ms. Yasmin Andrews on different shows, and I saw that she did polls. So Oceana hired her and commissioned a poll, because we wanted to know two things. We wanted to know what would have been the vote by our people that we collected signatures from. But many people say that would have been skewed, because those were the people who signed the petition anyway. But why we wanted to do that is to show that there were people who signed those petitions who would not have necessarily voted for a ban on offshore oil. But we didn't stop there. As part of the bigger package, we also commissioned the second poll with her, again, with the same questions and everything. But in this instance, what we wanted the poll to do was to look at the entire country, excluding our database, and then compare to see if the sample we got of the database of the petitioners who signed is comparative to the nation. Are there a reflection of it? And so I have her here now with me, and she can give you the results as to what was the result of those polls.
Now, as far as this goes, is this definitive, or did this conclude the matter on offshore drilling for you all?
The results tell us outright that people in this country are against offshore oil drilling, that people in this country wanted an opportunity to officially say that, and that people in this country is saying to the Coalition to Save Our Natural Heritage that not because we've been stopped at this point we should not continue. Because one of the question was, do you think they should continue fighting for this cause? And the answer was yes, and they gave suggestions what should be done. And the major one is that we should take some kind of action. Some suggested protest, but some just said action. And so the action we're taking is on the 29th of February, we're having a people's referendum. And as a result of the people's referendum, people can come out. We'll have polling stations in every district. People come out and vote on that day. We'll have a ballot just like any election, and you can vote yes or no. And that's what we're doing as part of the action.